we catched up for very first time, and I would like to know something about yourself. So would you mind telling me something about yourself, please?
Yes, my name is Mohammad Aslam. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I am a graphic designer. I work in a company as a graphic designer. Yeah, it was my short introduction. So, could you tell me something about yourself so we will get to know each other?
Wow, very short introduction for the very first time I heard from you. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, my name is Anus Naik, and right now I'm from Odisha, and right now I am here in Bhubaneswar. The purpose of staying here to learn German language, to prepare for competitive exams. Along with that, I'm learning English language as well, and my hobbies are like playing basketball, talking to the stranger, as well as reading books. That's all about me, myself.
Okay. So, you have told me that you are learning German language. So, why are you learning German language? There is any reason behind this that?
Yeah, there is a reason behind of learning German language, and I'm going to share with you. Okay, do you know I'm planning to go to Germany for my father's study. Along with that, I will be doing job if it is possible. And if I talk all about everything, so I'm planning to be settled in Germany. So because of that, I'm learning German language to go there. That is a
Okay,
short
so
thing.
why? Why have you chosen only German? Why, why not any country, other country like France, Australia, Dubai, America? Why only like you have chosen German?
Okay, do you know my brother? He is in Ireland. Okay, he is in Ireland. He's studying there. So he is the one who asked me to go to Ireland. But I felt let me go. But I felt that now I am like well matured and I can't decide my about my future. So I just found out about some countries, and mostly I wanted to go to Euro country because that is a little safety country, you can say. And when I researched about some Euro countries, so I felt that German could be better for me because I'm going to be settled there. And in German, the thing, mostly it is very beautiful and neat and clean. And you will be not allowed to make much noise there. So it is like peaceful country, you can say. And along with that, like you will not get like any kind of corruption, discrimination, all those things. It is very peaceful, as I mentioned. And for everything there is like no schedule or timetable or rules and articles, so everything has been fixed out. And the main thing is that free cost of study you will get there. But in
Okay.
India we pay for all the subjects, all the studies, but it is not there like that. And you will not pay any kind of means money for your study, all those things. So those things only attracted me to go to Germany.
So in Germany, like education is totally free.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay. So that's good, brother. So do you want to leave India and you want to settle in Germany?
Okay, India is my birthplace and I studied till now, and this year only I was planning to go, but in visa, when I went for visa certificate visa, and there I faced one interview, so I did not crack because that interview was conducted in German language, so I could not beat it, and right now I'm learning for that.
Okay, so I have heard about that. Many people want to go abroad. So in order to go to abroad, IELTS exam is compulsory. IELTS exam is compulsory. Like you have to give IELTS
Yeah.
exam, then you will be able to go to abroad.
Yeah, it is compulsory, brother. It is compulsory. And it also requires that what you are going to study, whether you are going to do bachelor degree or masters or any kind of study, that if you will be studying in English language, you have to
Okay.
write that. Or if you are like going to study in German language, you have to learn German, because I am the one, means I'm going to learn and I'm going to study in German language, not in English. So I have to learn German language.
So how do you learn German language? Through YouTube channel?
Okay, I started from online classes, but it was totally different, and difficult for me. So I started, nowadays I'm having offline classes. Here the teacher is there, so he teaches, and I get some knowledge and some ideas from him, that how to speak, all those things.
Okay, you are taking offline class to learn
Yeah, you are
German
right.
language. Okay. So your teacher from Germany or your teacher from India?
Oh, he is from India. He can teach German, Spanish, and France, French, and I think he can also teach spoken English, Hindi, Odia, all those means those subjects.
Okay. So in order to learn a German language, how much money I have to pay for to learn German language? If I want to learn
Yeah.
German, Spanish.
Okay, if you want to learn like German language to go to Germany or any kind of language, that also up to the teacher because for German like A1 you have to pay like 15,000 or something, and for exam also 15,000 around. So it is like 30 means A1, A2, B1, B2, maybe one lakh 20 to 1,50,000 something. I have no idea about because the money what he charged, everything my brother paid. So I have no
Okay.
idea about that.
So how
Maybe,
you
but
learning
I
German?
can
Since
more
when
than
have you
one.
been learning German language? How long
Okay,
have
it
you been?
is going to be couple of months.
Okay. Yeah. And your next plan that you want to go to Germany and you want to settle in Germany.
Yeah, yeah. My that is my next plan, you can say.
And if I talk about me, I also want to go to a Gulf country. I prefer Saudi or Dubai because I'm a graphic designer. But I work in my local area, so you can understand in my local area, like there is no any big company, so I am having to work in a small company, so I get only low salary. That's why I also want to earn like a handsome amount. So I have decided that after 1 or 2 years, I will go like Gulf country to job purpose. Yeah, so it's my future plan. That's why I'm learning English language. There is my reason behind this. Yeah,
Okay, you are from Uttar Pradesh.
I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. Jharkhand.
You are from Ranchi.
Yeah, yeah, I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Okay,
Yeah.
and you know
And,
I did my plus two in Jharkhand. I'm in
okay.
intermediate class. Okay, I did. It means I think. Do you know Sadri?
I know Sadri. I can speak Sadri language, Hindi and English. I can speak three language. Yeah, because
Okay,
it's
you
my mother tongue. It's a regional language. Actually, Sadri language is spoken in Ranchi, Jharkhand. And you can say our first language, our second language is Hindi language. If I go to office, then I have to speak in Hindi language. Yeah, and English you can say it's my third language. So this day I'm learning English language and I'm trying to speak in English language more and more. You can say, yeah.
okay,
So I also, yeah.
you are
What?
from Ranchi itself or nearby?
No, I am from Ranchi. I live in Ranchi. It's my hometown. You can say, yeah. I
Hometown.
was born in Ranchi. Yeah, yeah.
I
But in
have
future,
I have
sorry.
visited Ranchi. I have visited Ranchi and that Daltonganj, Ranchi, the Simdega, and that Chaibasa,
Okay.
Jamshedpur. I have visited so many places.
It's a natural place. It's a natural place. If you come to Ranchi, Jharkhand, then you will see that many waterfalls here. So you can enjoy in Ranchi, Jharkhand if you come to here. Yeah,
And I have visited that Budaghag. Budaghag. Have
Budha
you
Ghag.
heard
Yeah,
about?
yeah,
Yeah.
Budha Ghag. Yeah, Budha Ghag. Yes, yes, yeah. Actually, you can say Ranchi, Jharkhand is a totally natural place. There are many waterfalls, there are many hills area, and you can say also it has one international cricket stadium in Ranchi, Jharkhand, which is situated in Dhurwa. Have you heard about Dhurwa? Have you
Yeah.
visited? Yeah.
No, no.
No, no.
I have
Okay.
not visited. And do you know when I went from Ranchi to Daltonganj, my God, the location, the forest, the jungle, the route, it was very terrible for me. I was afraid of because it is like totally forest and natural area. What you told.
Okay. So have you made your passport, brother? Because you want to go to Germany. So have you made passport? So how much
Yeah,
money
now
for make passport? How much money you pay?
for the passport only like 1,500. But sometimes the owner he might charge like 2, 3, 5, like maybe 500 something for his work, all those things. But mostly 1,500.
Okay, so I also want to make passport. So what should I do? Do you have any idea? Could you tell me something about passport? How can I
Yeah,
make passport?
yeah, I have. See, you take along with you your PAN card and your Aadhaar card and 10th and 12th class certificate, okay? And you go
Okay.
to passport office, you just submit, and before going you have to recorrect all the, suppose any kind of mistakes are there, because we have some mistakes in Aadhaar card or in our like no certificate. So if it is there, you just recorrect, okay? And you go with that. And in if you are in other card, if you are having like no childhood photo, you just change it nowadays photo, so that they can
Suppose,
recognize you.
suppose I don't have any metric degree and any intermediate degree. So along with only Aadhaar card, can I make passport without like any degree?
Yeah,
Is it possible or not?
it is difficult. Suppose your brother or means your family, if somebody is there, he wants to take you, then you can do it. Otherwise, suppose if you want to go by yourself, and for the job, if you are going, you have to show the experience certificate, all those things. Because I'm a student, so I have to show my 10th and 12th certificate. And by that you go and visit passport office, and like after like 10 to 15 days again they will call you for the verification, and the passport will come within 15 to 20 days.
Okay. So except English language, someone wants to learn languages. So except English language, which language is very important apart from English language? Like if they want to learn languages like Japanese, Spanish, Russian. So except English language, which language they can learn, and after learning, they will be able to get a job in any country easily.
Okay, see, brother, in this case, no, there is no specific language, because suppose now if I want to go to like if I want to go Ireland, if I want to go to Ireland, easily I can go because I can face the interview in English and easily
Okay.
I can go. But I'm planning to go to Germany, so in Germany it is required to learn German language, and German language spoken in maybe two countries. Okay, in two countries, so if you live up means English language, and if you want to learn something, you must have to know that in which country you are willing to go. According to that, you have to learn the language of that country. Otherwise, suppose you learned German and you are going like Ireland or US country or whatever, so it is not going to help you out.
Okay, so I have a one question which is very important to learner. Like, which thing is very important to learn languages? Any language I am talking about, not only English. I am talking about all languages. Which thing is very important, like consistency or like a grammar? Which is very important?
This is the problem with the human beings. This is the problem. They think that which is important. They think that which is important. They just loaded their work. See, you learned Hindi and Sadri, and nowadays you are speaking English.
Yeah.
So when you started learning, did you apply any kind of grammar for those languages?
No, no,
No.
no. I didn't apply any. Yeah.
And you did not join any kind of coaching, any kind of
But
institute,
in order to
nothing.
learn English, I applied grammar. First I learned grammar. Yeah.
Yeah. See, but you learned grammar. Do you think that you speak according to grammar? Never. Because grammar and spoken English totally different, brother. Figure out. I can
Yeah.
figure out. So for any kind of languages, okay, any kind of languages, suppose it is German, English, Hindi, whatever, what you do not know, you must do like 2 to 3 things. And those things are mainly article, okay?
Okay.
Article, and like you can say subjects. We must know that what we called what, okay? Subject, article, and that is preposition. But apart of that, you leave everything. You must do one thing, that is speak. Try to speak what you know. You try to speak that, whether it is good English, broken English, or whether a good language or broken language, whatever, you just try to speak, because while speaking only we can learn, brother. Otherwise, listen what the other person is speaking, try to understand his language, his what he really want to, or he wants to say, and then try to understand and speak what you know. That is the
Yeah.
thing we
Some
must.
Some people find shortcut way to learn English language or to any languages. They want to learn like within 2 months, 3 months, and 6 months. So, do you think that it is possible to learn any language within a 6 month or 1 year? I think so. It will take minimum 2 years, 3 years to learn any languages.
It's not like within 1 year. Suppose, okay, if I talk about English language, within 2 months you can learn English. Definitely, I assure you, definitely you can learn.
How? How can I learn English within 2 months?
I will tell you, I will tell you. See, I did not join any kind of coaching, nothing. But it
Okay.
is not even 2 months that I am having conversation with the people. And do you know, I felt that within 1 month I learned English. And only one thing that you have to speak.